Alright, so we just got done at TheVend, which is an entire vending machine store. You guys gotta see this. It's actually pretty crazy. Alright. Rockefeller Center, New York. Why is this all sold out though?
Because we had some giveaways.
Giveaways? It was free?
Oh.
Yeah. Are you healthy or anything? Like, do you think they got AirPod Pros in here? We got a web notebook. Go to Sam's Club, it's 72 cents, bro. That's ridiculous. Why is it so expensive? Bag of chips that cost $1 at CVS. D3. $2. That's fair. That's fair.
The most expensive price item in this store.
The Polaroid?
The ring.
The ring?
The ring. The engagement ring, if you want to go top of the box, pop the question.
Yo! That's smart. One of a kind yellow rose, gray, 10X, 10K carat. It was initially started by the Julian and Prime government. Over the next few years, they created our episode of Man and Winning. What about the diamond in it, though? This is a crazy room right now. So the diamond, it doesn't tell me anything about the diamond. What is, it's a yellow gold matte, yellow rose cut diamond in the center. What's a 10X 1mm? You know what that means?
Please toss.
I kind of want to buy a ring.
Right down this also has flowers. That's all it's
Flowers, no flowers.
That's for you.
They die. Oh,
pretty good. Flowers.
dry flowers is probably interesting, bro. $25. I could afford that.
It's a one-stop shop. It's good for a lot of people that
Black truffle and fruit infused hot dogs. Alright, so we got tax over $1.50. Makes sense. You have the tax in New York, $1.50 and over. You have the sales tax.
Now this is the option to go overseas.
Exactly.
Gotcha, that's kind of crazy. Yeah.
So I'm trying to report it for the channel. They like to see me vending
Okay.
stuff.
What's the name of your channel?
Just my name, Dominic Barbado.
Okay.
You want ginger? There's ginger in here too. It's crazy. I like this one. You guys hide who created the machine, which is good because I can't figure out who made this. What's up with this whiteboard here? Or notepad?
It's a notepad.
These are USA shittiest card processors in the world. Not even the Rockefeller Center, probably $1 billion company, understands that these are the worst credit card processors in the world. So, ahead of the trend, make sure you know what you should be doing with your vending business because obviously all these companies could be doing better. So honestly, it's interesting that they're using USA technologies and they can't even manage their inventory because you have one of the richest buildings in the United States completely empty, missing out on 7, 10, 14 selections of products that are empty. Opens up. All right, I got it. It's open right here. It did warn me it was dots, but that's fine. I guess I could draw my own lines if I want, so that's kind of cool. It's like, got, what is this? Reese's. We can, is that good? We canned a feeling, not tired, not wired, a sparkling water for balance and clarity, to be here for you on your best days. I don't like it. Sparkling water infused with hemp extract and adaptogens. Adaptogens are good for when you're sick. They help your body create homeostasis so that you have regulated cells, so you're healthy. L-theanine, American ginseng. I don't know what Shinsardra is, and hemp extract. If you know what Shinsardra is, comment down below. An antidote to modern times. So we'll see how this is. Peach ginger. We bought the wrong one. Also, this is Chinese, like iced tea, like brisk. It's delicious.
I haven't had that one yet.
This one? Yeah. It's sweet though.
Yeah, I haven't tried it yet. You gotta order it.
Coke cans. That's pretty cool. They have old school Coke cans. Probably $3. I don't want a receipt anymore. But like they have a soft drop down inside, so the foam it drops on, so it's not gonna crack or anything. I don't know if they have a sensor, so if it doesn't drop, you are notified. Peach ginger should be a lot. Oh my god. Way better. Birthday cake bites, chocolate. I don't think the manufacturer did this because this looks like Scotch tape. So they actually taped it. A lot of carbs. 72 grams of carbs. But it's organic. See like where the embroidery like cuts between the two. It's a very raw, uncut video. What's this key do, boss?
It's supposed to be an ancient key.
Cast from an 18th century Italian church key, includes stainless steel. It holds your keys.
Yes, but it's also ancient. So
It's ancient.
yeah.
It says it's ancient, but it's not. From the 18th century for $18 for $15. Oh my god. This place, false advertising. What do we got? These are some great machines though. That's awesome.
Everything organized from joy, savory, sweet.
You light this paper on fire. You watch it rise, gently float back down to you, catch it. Your wish is fulfilled. Super D2. It's gonna be a long video.
Magic string, springy, flashback.
Inspired by, and this is art?
Which one?
The doggy money bank. Oh, you put money in it? Let's do it. All right, it's proven I have no money. So let's keep swiping. Card approved. All right, let's do it. It's probably crap. It was from Vancouver. That's cool enough. It broke. It broke. This broke. I saw something break off it.
Yeah, because I'm supposed to get it out in Vending.
It broke. I saw something. All right. It didn't work. They had one product left. Honestly, guys, this is the life of a vending machine. Sometimes issues arise. You gotta accept it. These are on conveyor belts, which is so interesting to me. You should get it. If it doesn't, you'll get it though. It has a sensor. There we go. It's cold. It's kind of cold. Cookie dough. All right. Eating some. Can you hold it? Cookie dough in a vending machine is actually really awesome. It's good. Awesome. It had a spoon in it too, so you don't even need to get spoons. Organic, non-GMO. That's pretty awesome. We're waiting for the homie to come back. We have the whole vending set up to ourselves. Honestly, guys, this is the fucking future right here. And if you're not getting ahead of it, you're behind it. But don't rush your way into it. So, serve yourself. That's the world we're going into. So, they hooked it up. Got a box. One balloon doggy money bank. Technically false advertising, but it's okay right now. Super cool. Do I throw hundreds in it? I don't know. The bottom is glued. This is cool. I'm signing off. It's like a 20-minute video. I'll edit it up, make it look nice. Products are cool. Cool place. And yeah, this is my recap of TheVend in Rockefeller Center, New York. Super excited for you guys to check it out. If you want to, if you're ever in New York, reach out to me. Honestly, if you're in New York, let's meet up. Make sure you subscribe, like the video, comment down below. Subscribe if you were entertained from this video. We tried a bunch of products. We got this made in China thing for $50, which is cost $3 in China. But this is TheVend, and it says, allows us to help yourself. We're in Rockefeller Center. But that's my recap. Make sure you subscribe. Comment down below TheVend if you're excited about this place and the future of vending machines. Hashtag vending revolution. If you're part of our revolution, join the Facebook page. You know, start your vending business today. We're one vending machine away from changing the entire direction of our life. Thank you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video here soon. Peace. I forget what type of vending machines they are, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I bought a bunch of stuff. Wish papers, don't even know what this is. I got a book to keep my notes. I got sweet and tangy, super snacks, dried mangoes. I got CBD drinks. These are new. I have actually just CBD. They're pretty good. I feel like I gotta get more stuff. I don't know what else to get. Sunglasses. Stiff.